The short USB cable is losing contact. This cable is used to power a laptop cooling stand with a fan. For the modification, we will use a part of an old cable and a part of a new phone charging cable. First, we remove the outer insulation, and then we strip the insulation from each of the 4 wires. We do this on both halves of the cable. We only need the red and black wires because they supply power, but we will reconnect all the wires so the cable can still be used for data transfer if needed. Before connecting the wires and soldering the contacts, we will prepare the heat shrink tubes. They need to be placed on the wires before connecting them. We will additionally protect these small green heat shrink tubes with electrical tape so they don't deform from the heat during soldering. The wires we solder are fixed in place using simple improvised tools, or they can be taped to a surface. This is how we solder all 4 wires. After that, we first slide on the green heat shrink tube and activate it with a lighter so it shrinks and tightly covers the soldered joint. We do this for all 4 wires. Then we add another layer over everything, and then one more layer just in case. We check if it works and confirm that the job is done. The fan is running. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Best regards.